Hello friends, here comes the puzzle number 64. So we have here two boys wish to cross a river. The only way to get to the other side is by boat. Means there is only one boat. But that boat can only take one boy at a time. The boat cannot return on its own. Means boat cannot come empty from one side to another side. It has to be ridden, then only it will move. So, and there are also no ropes at any source or any bank, or there is no similar tricks like there is no two boat, there is no a small passage, there is nothing. It's simple river, and they two boys want to cross it. Yet somehow they managed to cross the river using the boat. How? And your time starts now. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. So here is the solution. So uh, the thing is that the answer lies within the question. So the answer is that who said they were on the same side. The boys start on the opposite side of river. This is the trick part. So from one side, the one boy start with the boat. As boat can carry only one boy, so he went to the other side, and the other side, the other boy is standing. So he takes the boat and come to this other side. So and this is how they cross the river with one boat. I hope you like it. Thank you for watching. Please don't solve alone, pass it on. Please like, share, and subscribe for more puzzle like this. Thank you.